Today, I'll show you how to remove a loaded dataset in Tableau. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply starting fresh with new data, knowing how to effectively remove datasets is an essential skill for any Tableau user. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to tableau.com. This is your starting point for accessing the Tableau platform where you can manage your datasets and visualizations. Once you're on the website, you'll want to locate your recent projects. This can typically be found under the Recent section. Click on it to view a list of the projects and datasets you've worked on recently. Now, with your recent projects displayed, it's time to identify the specific dataset you'll want to remove. Once you've pinpointed it, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Tableau screen. Here, you'll see the names of your worksheets listed. It might seem a bit tucked away, but this is where you'll find the dataset associated with your current project. Hover over the worksheet name that corresponds to the dataset you wish to remove. You'll want to right-click on this name. Right-clicking will open a context menu giving you several options to choose from. This menu is your gateway to managing the worksheet, including the ability to delete it. In the context menu, look for the delete option. It should be clearly labeled, making it easy to find. Click on delete to proceed with removing the worksheet. It's important to note that deleting a worksheet will remove it from your project, so ensure that this is the action you want to take. Before you finalize this step, consider if there's anything in the worksheet you might need later. If you're sure about removing it, go ahead and click delete. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a loaded dataset from your Tableau project. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double check that you're removing the correct dataset to avoid any unintended loss of data. As you continue to work in Tableau, remember that managing your datasets effectively can greatly enhance your workflow. Removing unnecessary datasets not only helps keep your projects organized, but also optimizes Tableau's performance, ensuring a smoother experience as you visualize and interpret your data. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to remove a loaded dataset in Tableau. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorials. Happy data visualizing!